of the temple, 90 years old pagoda. Because this land used to belong to Thailand also when Thailand conquered Malaysia. So you have Burmese style, Thailand style, and Malaysian style, and Chinese style in just one place. What are the metal bowls for? Which metal in where? Sandy? Come on here. Yeah, here we go, the garden. Why they got the garden? Usually in pagoda, the garden is for represent of towery like this, and also to introduce the first 5 students of Buddha. That's 19 years old, seem brand new. Yeah, I think they do renovate several times, not only now. Very good. You know, the first people that Buddha taught were 5 spiritual seekers who had been his companion and who practiced with him the form of extreme self-denial that he himself later abandoned. Suffering. So the Buddha taught them that the means to awaken wasn't self-indulgence or self-denial, but a path in between the middle way. He then taught them his foundations inside the Four Noble Truths and the Noble Eightfold Path, leading to enlightenment. And those were born the Sangha, the first community of flower that we're seeing right now. The 5 big statue of the student next to the Buddha. And in Buddhism, they also said that anyone can become a Buddha. You, me, slowly get over all of the desire, so we can become one soon. Calm down. Why you guys laughing? We behind holy place, but we can hold it. Sorry, my penny unbuttoned. Go back. Okay. I get a sunglasses, but I haven't got a hat yet. The pavilion of the temple. Look at this. Very beautiful, isn't it? With the flower. 100 to 200 of statue of Lord Buddha that people come here buy flower and put it on him to bring an offering. Yes. You hear the music? No, not the chanting. Peaceful. It's very peaceful. Helaconia. Thank you, Lord. The name. Slow. Really let her go up. Yeah. Everything is just one shot. Okay. Yes. And look at the rooftop and the glass. No, even the local, not many people knows. At least, or if you are a Buddhist and you're a monk, you chanting, you will understand that. So I come here yesterday, it's closed, and the lady come here back this morning. You know, this symbol in the middle of the chest beside, and we can also make an offering to the symbol only too. That's one. Okay, now we're going down. This one. So the signal is not so good inside there when we go through there, but I take the picture already. So while I cross that one, if I lose the signal, you can check out the picture that I took, so you will not miss anything. That's one. The Buddha hand gesture is different, isn't it? So based on my research, the hand gesture like this one, it represents for present. Like at this moment, represent for the present, not symbol, not like the goddess of mercy. It represents for the future. The hand gesture. Okay, I'm just going down. Nice catch. Oh, look at this garden from up top here. Whoa. Well, if four of them is managed or place it on the mountain to the east where it does stay. Four mountain located in direction east, west, and south. On the east we need. Yeah. The the nighttime one. Okay. Yes, Glenda. I forget where's my shoe. Pagoda that built in 1930 up here. So this is the way to getting up. So now on the why they were closed at that time. Yellows. Okay, let me frame in the shot of the yellow building. Look at this. Thank you, Kathleen. Thank you, everyone who have tipped. Really appreciate that. Bearing the rain and now the heat to conduct this tour. This is heavenly gate. We can look direct, like on heaven. This guy. Look at this. Wearing that already. Really fast. You got some rose here and turtle statue making by stone around us. Whoa, it's gorgeous dressed. It's incredible in every direction. And here, lilies and the water coming out from the secret is and in the background. I cannot complain anything about this thing. Prosperity yesterday, I because during it yesterday on the way, not so far from the temple. After when we wishing for prosperity in that monetary temple. I see them playing here. I'll come to the view. Okay, our destination will be on the top, but it seems like with the dragon on the top. It took about 10 years to complete from 1930 to 19 wasn't anymore there. Yes, actually not unicorn, it's lion. It half unicorn, half lion. Where we ended the tour, we're gonna see a 60-meter tall of copper guandins. It's a huge statue. Some she got enlightened, but she refused to listen